How to start a YouTube channel. Hamza told me this. First, get a fucking camera, then start recording, start talking crap in front of the fucking camera. Doesn't matter if it's rear camera or front camera, just fucking talk. One take, no edit. And after that, do some more fucking videos. Only one take, at least 50. 50, it's better if it's more than 50. Make videos like this every day. 50 videos per day. What the fuck? No, I mean one video. Then the 50th time that you made the video, talking to the camera will be just natural to you. This will be just easy. And that's how you build momentum. First day First day of uploading unfiltered videos in YouTube.